A number of Premier League stars trained with their international teammates. Players trained at the Clairefontaine base ahead of Final 2 World Cup qualifiers. France's national squad have arrived for the start of the international break. France stars had just enough time to pose for photos with fans before taking to the training ground ahead of their World Cup qualifiers. Didier Deschamps' side topped their group and will take on Bulgaria and Belarus in their last 2 qualifiers, hoping to book their place at the tournament in Russia next year. But before the players finalized preparations on the field, however, they embraced the adoring fans in Clarefontaine. But Deschamps soon got to work on the training ground, with his star players ready for the final push against Bulgaria and Belarus. Both opponents have no chance of qualifying, and France will look to finish on a high to secure an automatic route through to next summer's finals. They stuttered in their last game, a 0-0 draw at home to Luxembourg, but 2 victories over Holland and Sweden respectively has seen them top the group. France's players will train at Clairefontaine for a few days before beginning the trip to Bulgaria for Saturday's match. The Frenchmen have won 5 of their opening 8 games in the World Cup qualifiers. France leads Sweden